So we had a chillier day than normal yesterday, but can we expect some warmer days ahead? For that, we'll go to Mike.
I think by default, we can expect some warmer days ahead. The high temperature yesterday at SeaTac was 57 degrees. To put that into context, the 30-year average is 71. It was 14 degrees below average yesterday, which is a perfect segue into this. We are now just 3 days away from the summer solstice. We're going to be tracking a very long day that starts just after 5 a.m., sunsets just after 9 p.m., and it will officially be at solstice right around 2:14 a.m. So for folks who are taking advantage of the final spring weekend here, it's still a bit on the cool side, but as you can see here, conditions will improve slightly in the mountains tomorrow. Just a little more rain and snow showers. Yes, snow above 6,500 feet. And then on Monday, it's going to warm up beautifully. In fact, the freezing level goes up to about 10,000 feet. Now, if you were at the coast today, it was cool, it was rainy. We're going to see some showers in the morning. I'll show you that in just a second here. And then, if you're fortunate enough to have the Monday off, temperatures get into the low to mid 60s. Of course, the place to be all weekend long has been off towards the east, except for one part I'll show you in a moment here. Partly sunny conditions headed our way on Sunday, temps in the low 70s. And then Monday, take a look at that. We get into the mid 70s there. And that is just the beginning of what appears to be a nice warm stretch ahead. So here's what's going on in the big picture. We had zoomed way out to show you that the low is right about here. Remember, flow around a low is always counterclockwise. So as it's been moving over, it was bringing showers from north to south earlier this afternoon. Now you can see that all of that north to south flow is pretty much over top of the Cascades and off towards the east, where we've been seeing the other side of that rotation, pushing some showers and storms up into Okanagan County. We'll zoom in on that in a moment, but take a look across Puget Sound right now. Things looking great up towards the border. We just have some stray showers, really bright colors indicating that that's more light rain and drizzle than actual rain itself there, and a whole lot of cloud cover associated with that too. Take a look off towards the east. Okanagan County and portions of Ferry County have been very active today, but as we were discussing earlier, you take the sunlight away and that takes the instability away, so a lot of that is starting to calm down. Rain will continue overnight tonight, so the flash flood watch way off towards our east is going to be in effect until 5 a.m. on Sunday. A little bit closer to home, we do have a small craft advisory in effect for the Strait of Juan de Fuca here. Gusts getting up to about 25 knots. There was already one pretty dramatic rescue of a catamaran out there earlier this week, so pay attention to that and take it seriously. Here's what we got going on as far as the future goes. You see that rotation continues to move off towards the east there. So what that does for us is this is 8 o'clock on Sunday morning. If you do have some outdoor plans, take a look at this. Cloud cover, but also some clearing taking place. In fact, by the time we get close to sunset, looks like we could actually be seeing a sunset. And did you notice? Not a whole lot in the way of green blobs on the map. Now, Monday morning, we will see some cloud cover in the mid-levels of the atmosphere here, but then as the day progresses, it starts to clear as well. In fact, some high pressure is going to build in. A little system will try and scoot by towards the north there, but that's a Canada problem. That's nothing we have to worry about. 7-day forecast shows temps getting into the mid-60s on Sunday, upper 60s on Monday, 70s for the first day of summer, and we're going to do it again next weekend.